Hey folks, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do another video, what do you call it? A pre-order update video to tell you that any fans have seen the recent hit horror film Megan this year. Here it is, another pre-order signing. CPA Authentics just finished theirs, which of course ended it as of March 3rd on midnight. So yeah, you missed that. You could still get your chance. So you have until the 5th of June this year to get your hands on whatever you like. So let's check out for the sizes. Let's check, for example, 8x10s. You got these variants with our lead actress, and then a standalone one, and then a full version of the full view of the characters. This one, and this one. So these are going to cost, the 8x10 is going to cost you $45. Okay, choose a side, hold on. Okay, 11x14, which is only this customized poster, is going to cost you about $55. And then the 12x18 poster is going to cost you $70. All right, $70 for the poster, and that's all you're going to be getting, folks. So yeah, if anybody's interested if anybody was a big fan of the movie Megan from this year, link is in the description box down below. So anyways, y'all, you have until June 5th. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. Enjoy Sunday, y'all. Oh yeah, welcome to March. Later, y'all.